oh my god, someone fell into the water. And then I saw a girl inside the water. I looked over there from the stairs, and she was like, I thought this was grass!
Oh!
There's no barriers. They tried to make this as natural as possible.
What did you think of the cave?
I like them. They're cool. I'm glad I had a flashlight.
Don't have to do it. Oh my god, someone fell into the water. And then I saw a girl inside the water. I looked over there from the stairs, and she was like, I thought this was grass!
Oh! What do you think so far?
That's cool.
Huh.
It's fun.
Stairs always so...
I know, they're so narrow.
So this is the top of the initiation well.
How does it feel to be at the possibly westernmost point of continental Europe?
Well, I just feel so nonplussed, actually.
Mmm.
That's not the reaction you expected.
No.
It doesn't, I don't know, it just feels like another thing that we're doing. You know, it doesn't feel like, wow, this is epic. This is something I need to record for posterity. Be the model in the making, yeah, make it look like it's more.
This is a really cool forest. No, they're really cool. And the rocks.
That'd be part Billy Goat.
You made it.
Roots, yeah. You can. The unfinished well has this name because the person who was building the well didn't finish it because he was not feeling very well. You got the joke before I told him, right? And then she was like coming out of the water and she had a purse with her. And she's like, oh, my purse is still there. I have my passport in there. So she jumped in again. Water.
Good water.
It's very good water.
Yeah?
Nice and cold, nice and clear.
How's it going?
We're not feeling it this year.
Glad I didn't do this in the first week that we were in
Going for
traveling. I would have been dead.